Which are your childhood food memories? Mine is meatballs and tomato sauce. My granny making men of them. 2 men, in fact. The perfume that filled the house. In GialloZafferano's kitchen, I wanted to bring back those emotions. Meatballs and tomato sauce. Let's cook them together. To prepare this recipe I need extra virgin olive oil, ground beef, 1 egg, sausage, salt, nutmeg, oregano, chopped parsley, grated cheese, and some stale breadcrumb. I'll pour it into a food processor to turn it into a powder. I'll pour my crumb in here. The crumb will make the dough a little drier, but do not worry, our meatballs will become super tender cooking in the sauce. I'll add to the ground meat. I'll add to the sausage, but I need to remove the case first. Just cut it in 2 like this. I crush it gently with my knife, but a fork will also do, and add it to the mixing bowl. I'll flavour it with nutmeg and a little freshness with chopped parsley, some oregano, hand crumbled like this, and some Parmesan cheese. I used Parmesan, but if you want an even more intense flavour, you can replace it with mature pecorino. The egg, a pinch of salt. It's time to get your hands dirty, so I'll knead it until everything gets evenly distributed. Our mixture is ready, so you can start shaping the meatballs. With this amount I will get about 24. I'll wet my hands a little, and then I'll take some, about 20 grams, and make my first meatball. The meatballs are ready, so I can saute them. Drizzle of oil in the pan. The oil is hot. I can add the meatballs, which I will let brown for a couple of minutes on each side. For the sauce I need black pepper, salt, oregano, water, and tomato sauce, which we'll pour in the pan. I'll dilute it with a drop of water. Season with salt and black pepper. I'll reduce heat and let the meatballs cook for about 20 minutes. Only at the end will I add the final touch that is oregano. A foodie like me cannot face a plate of meatballs in tomato sauce without a slice of bread. I already know that I won't be able to resist mopping it up. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it and feed me back.